Superglue the locking threads to the inlet arm of the base. Screw the threaded plug into the base. Add the first screen ring. Add the first open leaf. Thread the radiation shield harness cable through the center of the first open leaf and out through the arm of the base. Seat the holder on the spoke of the leaf closest to the arm of the base. Seat the other two sensors on the other two spokes as shown. Add another screen ring. Add the second open leaf, rotating at 60 degrees so that the spokes don't interfere with the sensors. Add the third screen ring, followed by a third open leaf. Now add the center screen. Add the remaining two open leaves. Add the closed leaf. Finally, screw on the top leaf. Don't over-tighten it or you will break the shaft. Assembly is complete.